Good day, my name is Dayaon, the leader of Group 6, and we are here to present our research entitled Housekeeping Problems, Hotel Cleanliness Impact on Guest Loyalty. This research aims to identify all the possible factors why cleanliness affect guest loyalty. And also our main objective is to find out what are the reasons why do guests are more likely go to. All throughout our research, we're looking forward to the outcome of our data that find out why do people and guests, rather guest employees tend to go in a hotel. As our research goes flow, we're looking forward to get some answers from some employees, managers, hoteliers, to gather some information and insights regarding about our research. Despite of the pandemic situation in this modern time here, we're looking forward that our research is very applicable in the hospitality industry.
Rationale of the study. The study provides new insight into the importance of housekeeping services in maintaining the cleanliness in order to satisfy guests. Enhance loyalty. Existing research recognizes the critical role played by the housekeeping personnel in providing guests a positive outlook into the overall hotel in only just by staying for a couple of days or nights. Data from several studies suggest that housekeeping staff or personnel should make an extra precaution that should be taken for cleaning a room after a guest who has been ill has checked out of the hotel and washed all the hotel linens according to the manufacturer's label and dry it on the highest setting possible. Allow items to dry completely before removing. The purpose of this investigation is to explore the relationship between the hotel and the loyal guests that check in the hotel. There are so many reasons why a guest becoming loyal towards the hotel, and that would be because of the services the hotel provides that gives them satisfaction. By excellent when it comes to the cleanliness of the room, quality of amenities, and comfortable atmosphere to attract more guests, the hotel staff and guests should have a good connection with each other. So if there's a concern between each other, there's an immediate solution for the problem. Among the services that the hotel provides, especially today's circumstances to check in, based on separate JB Power data collected since the start of the pandemic, communicating safety precaution and sanitation protocols with guests is one of the most important action hotels can take to reassure travelers right now. By the help of housekeeping department, much pressure gives to them since they're the central focus of lodging operation, which every corner of the facilities of the hotel must be sanitized and every room should be disinfected.
Background of the study. Housekeeping services and practices according to RAJAC 2020 is the backbone of the hotel. Satisfaction customers is a psychological idea according to Trillo 2018 on the expectation disconfirmation point of view. Guest satisfaction is an ever-growing manifestation of the hotel industry. Hussein and Kana 2016. A satisfied customer will provoke new customer through the word of mouth.
Literature review. Our literature review are all from scholarly journals or articles, and these sources provide relevant information to our topic research, which will definitely benefit us researchers and readers of our study, as it establishes background, terms, and context from the other scholarly articles and journals for a purpose of establishing familiarity and understanding.
Good day everyone, my name is Michelle ORCALES and let me discuss to you our conceptual framework. But first, what is conceptual framework? Conceptual framework is an analytical tool that is used to get a comprehensive understanding of a phenomenon. This may explain the key concept or the variables and the relationship between them that is needed to be studied. Our research entitled Impact of Housekeeping Services on Customer Satisfaction has a relationship or connection with the following. First is guest satisfaction. Second is the positive relationship between the guest satisfaction and laundry services. Third is the positive relationship between the guest satisfaction and the decor. Fourth is the positive relationship between the guest satisfaction and room amenities. And lastly is the positive relationship between the guest satisfaction and cleanliness. And when it comes to the employee's performance, that has also a connection with our variables that being studied. It also has a connection or relation with the following. First is the motivation. Second is the communication. And lastly is the job stress.
Our research objective is to analyze the impact of cleanliness and housekeeping services on guests, customers' loyalty and satisfaction. And lastly, our study aims to understand what kind of needs, what kind of service that affects the customer's loyalty and tend to go back into the hotel that they binge at.
Significance of the study. I will discuss the significance of the studies or who will be the one who benefit the knowledge and information that the researchers conducted for the near future. It shows here the possible people who will benefit the study. The first one is the student of hospitality management, as they are chosen to become the recipient of this study. This study is beneficial to them as a guide knowing what makes the guest become satisfied. With that, handling the guests becomes more easier for them if ever they will become part of the hospitality industry in the near future. The next one is the housekeeping personnel. As we know, they are the backbone of the hotel for keeping and maintaining the cleanliness of every corner of the hotel, from the amenities, facilities, and the surroundings. These studies benefits the housekeeping personnel as they are the one performing the services in the name of the hotel. Also, this study helps them to understand the importance of their job as doing their part for keeping the prospective room cleaned, that leads the guests to become satisfied and become loyal to a hotel. The next one is the hotel manager, and this study benefits the hotel manager as he or she is the one discuss the knowledge and information to the housekeeping department for maintaining the guest loyalty. The last one is the hotel owner, and this research benefits the hotel owner as the major succeed of every hotel is to get the loyalty of the guests. And being a hotel owner, it is important to have a loyal guest because it reflects and affects the overall of the hotel. And this study discussed on how to satisfy the guest and give its loyalty to provide a better hotel management. The result of the study is benefit the employee of the hotel to be able to know what really impact the cleanliness of the hotel to the satisfaction of every guest. It gives the staff to get the assistants to be more informed on how to get the satisfactions. It gives the staff of the hotel the assistants to be more informed about the satisfaction they give to the guests. If there's another impactful reason for the guests to be more satisfied. Having a solid team that works seamlessly together with the highest quality of housekeeping skills training and the best eye for detail is vital for running of the hotel and maintaining high standard, and that was accordance by Rachel Green.
Research design. The researcher used quantitative type of research. The quantitative research will define the systematic investigation of the research by gathering quantifiable data of a group of people, or what we call respondents. The researcher used quantitative research in taking a survey questionnaire through Google Form. The respondents is required to answer all questions in a survey honestly. About this research entitled Housekeeping Problems, Hotel Cleanliness Impact on Guest Loyalty. Hotels' housekeeping problem was the main concern of this research.
Sampling design and the selection of participants. The technique that is used by the researchers to get a representative sample of respondents was quota sampling, which defined as a non-probability sampling method in which the researcher will choose these individuals according to their traits or qualities. The participants or respondents will be coming from the students of Pamantasan and Lungsod ng Pasig under the program of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Respondents will be 237 students in hotel management who have an experience in checking in at the hotel because they have the knowledge to what the researcher is investigating. The result of this data gathering through distributing the questionnaire will hopefully identify the insight of the respondents, the researchers that being studied.
Now, let me proceed to our data collection method. Our research used data collection method to gather data using questionnaire through online. And our goal for using data collection method is to identify the main audience of this survey through locating the problem or issue to them. On the other hand, data collection method is a process of gathering and measuring information on variables of interest.
And here's the following screenshot of our Google Form survey, composed of 15 questions, and also some of the following basic informations that they base under the data privacy.